All right, good afternoon, freshmen. This is Miss Shanley, and I've created this video for any students who still need help creating their College Board and Khan Academy accounts, and I'll also show you how to link the two accounts as well to help you in your preparation for the SAT. So in today's lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about the PSAT test that all of you are going to take next month. But to get started, you do need a College Board account to access your scores. So to get started, you're going to go to www.collegeboard.org. All right, so collegeboard.org, you'll see that right up here in the box there for the link. And you'll click on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up, because I don't think many of you have College Board accounts. Once you're there, you're going to click on I'm a Student. And you're going to go ahead and enter in all of your personal information. So your last name, your first name, your gender, your date of birth, your school email address, your graduation time is going to be June 2024. Zip code is going to be 06811 for Danbury, and then where you go to school, you can either type in Abbott's 6-digit number to pull up Henry Abbott Tech. Scroll down, you're going to make your username and password. So your username should be last name, first name, and then your password is going to be CT- your student ID number for school, which can be found on your PowerSchool app. You're going to confirm your password, create a security question, so whatever you want to do for that. You're going to enter in your address, so your home address. Where do you live? This is added in. You will get some mail home in the mail from College Board, potential colleges. So you'll finish putting in your address, so the city that you live in, state is Connecticut. You can enter in your cell phone number if you wish. This is optional, you do not have to do it, and then you can check the box if you want to get text messages. If you'd like to get emails, you can leave the box checked. Parent information is completely optional, but if you would like to enter your mom or dad's email address and information, you can. Then you're going to go ahead and click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on Next. That will successfully have you create your College Board account. Then to create your Khan Academy account, you're going to go to www.khanacademy.org. All right, so right up there in the top, you'll see you have khanacademy.org. Oh, I was already signed into my account, so you'll want to make sure that you start on the home page. Maybe some of you already have accounts, you've used Khan Academy before, and that's completely fine. You want to log into your account using the username and password that you already created. But if you do not have an account, you're going to click on Sign Up. You're going to click on Learner, and you're going to enter your date of birth. So your birthday. And then you're going to click on Sign Up with Email. Do not continue with Google or Facebook or Apple. So you're going to sign up with email. You're going to enter your school address. So school email, your first name, your last name, and then you're going to create a password. And then at the bottom, you will click on the Sign Up button here. All right, so I'm going to log into my Khan Academy account to show you guys how to make sure that your accounts are linked. So the purpose of linking your College Board and Khan Academy account is once you're done taking the PSAT, it will automatically send your scores over to Khan Academy from your College Board account, and it will give you personalized SAT study practice. So some of you may be thinking, I don't want to go to college, why do I have to do this? It is part of your graduation requirements here at Abbott to take the PSAT and SAT to meet some graduation requirements. So you'll want to make sure that you add the SAT prep course to your Khan Academy account. So you can easily do that by clicking Add Course and scrolling down to the bottom and making sure that SAT in the test preparation box is checked off, and then you'll just press Continue with Course. To make sure that your Khan Academy and College Board accounts are linked, you're going to go to your account for Khan Academy by clicking on your name. You're going to go to Settings, and you're going to scroll down to a button down here that's going to say Connect Your College Board and Khan Academy accounts. Once you do that, it's going to ask you a couple of questions and permission to connect your accounts, and then you will be all set. So my account is already connected, so you'll see it already says connected with collegeboard.org. If you are very confused or need additional help, I have posted the instructional handout here, step-by-step instructions on to how to connect your two accounts. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you all soon.